Hey there friends, thanks for checking in at the range. Now I've got the Remington V3 Tac-13. I've got some double aught buck loaded up about 12 yards away. Let's see how it goes. It's hitting hard. And there it is. This is a 12 gauge firearm. It's actually quite light and it has a hand strap there that really helps. The recoil is not bad because it's a gas operated semi-auto 12 gauge and it has a nice feel to it. Now you notice that much like the Tac-14, it's got the shockwave bird's eye pistol grip. Already mentioned semi-auto. It holds 5 shells of 12 gauge, whether it's 2 3/4 or 3-inch, 5 shells in the magazine tube, 13-inch vented rib cylinder bore barrel, and it does have a pretty heavy duty barrel clamp on there. Bead front sight. It does have some cooling ports right there. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's what that's for. The aluminum receiver, making it once again quite light and excellent home defense firearm. You can fire this from the hip. You can shoot it the way I did just now without much recoil to worry about. You know, you tend to think you shoot the double aught buck, it's gonna jump back and hit you, and I felt like I controlled that quite well. It'll also handle the cheap loads, the 7.5 target loads, not a problem at all. It is tapped up here if you want to put a rail on there, put an optic. I think I already mentioned 13-inch barrel. Now the MSRP on this goes $915. They are not out too often. They are out. I saw one on Gun Broker for $740. Now it's quite a bit more. The parts in here more resemble the Remington 1100 models. That's what my FFL said. He said that these are some pretty nice parts. It's put together well. He actually fell in love with it, and he's also my gunsmith. So this guy's been around for quite a while, and he really enjoyed this. He actually owns a Tac-14 and is considering getting this as its replacement or its brother. But here we go. You know, nice loading semi-auto shotgun. Let's load it up and see how well it does with those cheap target loads. Here's some low brass 7.5 shot target load. Fed and fired just fine. I have 4 shells of double aught buck. Let's shoot from the hip this time. Oh, the first 2 I shot a bit high. There we go. One of the things I forgot to mention is that it does have an aluminum follower there. See that red follower? That's an aluminum follower there. Looks kind of nice. So there it is, Remington V3 Tac-13. I put quite a few shells through it today already and haven't had one problem. It functions very well. It's light. I think it's an excellent home defense choice. It's a bit pricey. We'll see what the average gun store is selling it for. My guess would be in the mid 700s. At least that's what I saw so far. These will become available. I think you'll like what it has to offer. Feels like a very well-made 12 gauge firearm, and so far I'm loving it. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.